Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account on Amazon. Here is how to create an account on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Amazon website. This is my account already, but let's say we want to create an Amazon website. So amazon.com, and you punch the enter button, and that's going to take you into the website itself. So I'm already signed into Amazon, but that's why I cannot really sign in again. And let's just head over to another website entirely and follow through with the process. Okay, so that's going to be amazon.com. I'm using an entirely different Google account so you can see how it works. So the website is loading up. Of course, the website is still loading up, but we're here. Now, from this website, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of the page and hover over account and list, which we have here. Now, over here, we have two options, which include signing and new customer start here. So click on start here. And it takes you here. It opens up this form for you to enter. Okay, so this is the create accounts page. All you need to do is to enter your name here, your first and your last, and your email address or your phone number. And over here, enter your password. That the password needs to be at least 6 characters, and re-enter your password for confirmation in here. Then after filling in all the required details, go ahead and click on continue. Once you click on continue, Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Open the email and copy the code sent by Amazon. Paste or type the verification code in the provided field on the Amazon web app. And once you're done, click on verify to complete the process. Once your email is verified, your Amazon account will be created and you will be logged in automatically. Now, that's it. You're all set to start shopping or exploring other features on Amazon. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.